In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello everybody, how are you doing? We're doing great with the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name's NA Saqib. I'm your Usman too. I trainer, additionally been also teaching the students of spoken English for the last 20 years at the platform of Genius Institute, Lahore. My today's lecture would be about reading subtest of the IELTS, and especially it is the continuity of the previous lecture, which was about time management skill in reading subtest of the IELTS. So let's get started with some mode strategies about time management. The next strategy would be you should provide adequate time to different question types. There are lots of question types, so we'll talk about all those question types in the next lecture maybe. So you should give ample time or adequate time to different question types. Some question types actually require you to look at the whole text, whereas there are some question types which require you to look at only part of the text. So what should be done or what is needed? So the questions for which you need to look at the whole text are likely to take more time. Whereas in contrast, the question types which need part of the text are likely to take less amount of time. So what you have got to do actually, consequently, you need to consider leaving more time to certain question types which require more time. The last strategy about the time management would be 1 minute each question. So you can also try it out. 1 minute each question. It means that you should try not to spend more than 1 minute on any question. If you're going to spend more than 1 minute on any question, or you think that a question is taking more than 1 minute to get the answer, leave it and move on. Move on to the next questions and so on and so forth. You can always come back later to the unanswered questions. So if you are applying this strategy, you will be able to attempt all the questions and you can come back to the questions which you have left earlier or which you could not answer earlier. And it will also become easier for you because it will become easier for you to answer these questions in the second attempt. You could have become more familiar with the content, language, structure, style of the text. So finally, my last strategy would be that I would suggest trying out different time management strategies and techniques to see what works best for you or what suits you as an individual, keeping in context your background of knowledge, your reading ability, and the kind of education you've acquired over the years. Thank you, my dear friends. These were certain very useful time management techniques which I've shared with you guys. I hope you would select one of them and try it on to see what suits you the best and which gives you the best results. I'll see you with another uploaded video. Until then, God bless you all. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.